Welcome back to Glow and Slim Eats. If you've been feeling tired, catching colds often, or just want to stay strong and vibrant, then today's recipe is just for you. We're about to show you how to make a powerful green juice using fresh, everyday ingredients that work together to strengthen your immune system, fight inflammation, and give you natural energy from the inside out. Stick around till the end. We'll share when to drink it for best results and how to make it taste amazing without adding sugar. 1. Spinach. The vitamin C superleaf. Spinach isn't just for salads. It's one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens and a secret weapon for your immune health. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps your white blood cells fight off infection. Contains beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, a key nutrient that keeps your skin and mucous membranes healthy, acting as a barrier to viruses. It's also rich in folate and iron, supporting red blood cell production and oxygen transport, both essential during recovery from illness. Blending spinach into a juice is one of the fastest ways to absorb these nutrients raw, giving your immune system a quick boost. 2. Green apple. Sweet and immune-friendly. Next up, green apple. Not only does it balance the strong flavors of leafy greens, but it brings its own set of health perks. Apples contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports the immune system. They're rich in soluble fiber, which helps balance blood sugar and supports healthy gut bacteria, an often overlooked part of immune health. They're also hydrating and naturally sweet, making the juice more enjoyable without artificial sugars. Pro tip: leave the skin on for maximum nutrients, just wash thoroughly. 3. Cucumber. Hydration and anti-inflammation. Cucumber is over 95% water, but don't let that fool you. It's a hydrating hero with subtle detox powers. It helps flush out toxins from the body and supports kidney health. Contains caffeic acid and vitamin K, which reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. It also cools down the digestive system and soothes inflammation from within, especially helpful if you've been eating processed or heavy foods. Add 1 medium cucumber for a cooling, refreshing base to your green juice. 4. Lemon. Your immunity's best friend. When it comes to immunity, lemons are like your body's personal security guard. Just 1 lemon contains over 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. It promotes alkalinity in the body, even though it's acidic outside. A more alkaline environment helps your body resist disease and inflammation. Lemon also stimulates digestive enzymes and helps your liver detox gently, making it easier for your immune system to do its job. Freshly squeezed lemon brightens the taste and boosts every other ingredient in the juice. 5. Ginger. The natural fighter. A little goes a long way with this fiery root. Ginger is a time-tested healing food with strong anti-inflammatory properties. It contains gingerol, a compound that fights inflammation, reduces sore throats, and soothes nausea. Ginger supports circulation, helping immune cells move more efficiently through your body. It also helps the digestive system absorb nutrients better, which is key to staying healthy in the long term. Start with a 1-inch piece, peeled and chopped, and adjust according to your spice tolerance. 6. Celery. Alkalizing and restorative. Celery may seem simple, but it's a powerhouse in disguise, especially for gut and immune health. It's naturally anti-inflammatory and packed with flavonoids, vitamin K, and potassium. Celery helps reduce bloating, supports kidney function, and helps detoxify the liver, critical when your immune system is under stress. Its high water and mineral content also support electrolyte balance and hydration. Celery balances out the taste and provides a crisp freshness to the green juice. Optional boosters. Mint leaves and coconut water. Want to elevate the flavor and add bonus benefits? Mint leaves soothe digestion, cool the body, and give the juice a refreshing lift. Coconut water adds natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, making this juice even more hydrating, especially after a workout or when recovering from illness. You can use regular water, but coconut water gives this juice a tropical twist while supporting immunity. How to blend your green juice. Now that you've got your ingredients, here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 to 2 servings. 1 cup spinach. 1 green apple, cored, skin on. 1 medium cucumber. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 inch ginger, peeled. 2 celery stalks. 5 to 6 mint leaves, optional. 1 cup water or coconut water. Steps: 1. Wash all ingredients thoroughly. 2. Roughly chop everything and add to a high-speed blender. 3. Add water or coconut water. 4. Blend for 30 to 60 seconds until smooth. 5. Strain through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag for a smoother texture, optional. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. When to drink for maximum benefits. For best results, drink this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. For maximum absorption. After workouts. To replenish electrolytes and reduce inflammation. During cold/flu season. As a daily immunity boost. Or any time you feel run down or bloated. It's gentle on the stomach and gives you a clean burst of energy. No caffeine needed. Before you go, always use fresh ingredients, organic if possible, for the highest nutrient value. Try to drink it immediately after blending. Nutrients break down quickly over time. Customize. Add kale, parsley, or a scoop of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Drop a comment below if you're trying this juice today, or share your own favorite combo. And don't forget, your immune system thrives when you give your body clean fuel, rest, and kindness. Subscribe to Glow and Slim Eats for more simple science-backed health tips and delicious recipes. Your journey to glowing, strong, and slim starts here.